Have you ever wondered how Google Tag Manager works, or perhaps you're curious about why it's important and who can benefit from it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Google Tag Manager and reveal its inner workings. First off, Google Tag Manager, often abbreviated as GTM, is a powerful tool created by Google to manage JavaScript and HTML tags. These tags are typically used for tracking and analytics on websites. So why is this important? In the digital world, data is king. Companies, marketers, and website owners need to understand their audience's behavior to enhance user experience and drive conversions. Google Tag Manager makes this task easier, faster, and more efficient. Now, let's break down how Google Tag Manager works in simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Create an account. Head over to the Google Tag Manager homepage, sign in with your Google account, and follow the instructions to set up a new GTM account. Step 2. Set up a new container. Each container holds all the tags for one website. Name it after your website to keep things organized. Step 3. Install the Google Tag Manager code. After setting up a container, GTM will provide you with a unique code. Install this code on every page of your website. Step 4. Add and configure tags. Once the code is installed, you can start adding tags to your container. Each tag performs a specific function, like tracking page views or clicks. Step 5. Test your tags. Always test your tags to ensure they're working correctly. Google Tag Manager has a built-in preview mode that allows you to do this. Step 6. Publish your tags. Once you're satisfied with your tags, hit the Publish button. Now your tags are live and collecting data. Step 7. Monitor and adjust. Regularly check your tag performance and make adjustments as necessary. To summarize, Google Tag Manager is a game-changing tool that simplifies the process of managing tags on a website. By using GTM, you can streamline your work, save time, and ensure your website is collecting the right data. It's a tool that's beneficial for digital marketers, website owners, and anyone interested in improving their website's performance and understanding their audience better. So there you have it, a complete guide to Google Tag Manager. Remember, the key to mastering GTM is practice. So go ahead, create an account, set up a container, and start adding tags. With time, you'll become a GTM pro, ready to harness the power of data to drive your website's success. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep improving, because in the digital world, there's always something new to discover.
Thank you.